Hi everyone. Today we will learn what is sacrifice ratio in so easy way even a non-economics students can understand this complex topic of economics. The sacrifice ratio is a concept used in economics to measure the cost of reducing inflation. It represents the amount of short-term output lost or sacrificed for every 1 percentage point reduction in inflation. Let's understand with an example. Imagine you have a balloon filled with air, representing inflation, and you want to reduce its size, lower inflation. To do this, you need to let some air out of the balloon, but doing so comes at a cost. You lose some of the balloon's size, representing economic output. The sacrifice ratio tells you how much of the balloon's size you lose for every percentage point of inflation you reduce. For example, if the sacrifice ratio is 2, it means that for every 1% decrease in inflation, you lose 2% of economic output. It is calculated equal sign, percent loss of output, percent decline in inflation rate. So, the sacrifice ratio helps policymakers understand the trade-off between reducing inflation and the short-term pain of lower economic output. A higher sacrifice ratio means that it's more costly to reduce inflation, while a lower sacrifice ratio means that you can reduce inflation with less economic pain. In summary, the sacrifice ratio is like a measure of how much air you have to let out of a balloon, economic output you sacrifice, to reduce its size, lower inflation, by a certain amount.